Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Front Adjuster guide. It's going to be a very easy repair and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Front Adjuster guide. The Front Adjuster guide is part of the upper rack adjustment system. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dish rack isn't going up and down properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out so we have access to the Front Adjuster guide. There's one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. To get the Front Adjuster guide off, you want to go from the back side and push on this locking tab with a small flathead screwdriver. So you have it pushed out a little bit. Just lift up on the adjuster until it lines up with the lower cutout. You can lift it out and pull it off the rack. Here's the old Front Adjuster guide next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Front Adjuster guide on, just want to line it up on the rack and then turn it and drop it down so the tabs all line up. Then make sure the tab down there goes through and push it down so it locks in place. Once you have it installed, you can push the upper rack in, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.